Alright, we're back, and we're at the little place here. We got this harvest the sleeve. I literally did nothing. I just stopped it and pressed record again, and that was it. Ooh, yeah, some supplies here, some health, and a grapple. Ooh, nice. Look at that. All right, so now what do we do? Oh, I see. All right, RT to ascend. Oh, okay. I'm actually climbing it. Let's look. Okay. Alright, let's go. That's cool. I like this new game mechanic. Whoa. What the? Don't even come near me. What? Whoa. No, I'm gonna have to swing. Oh, it's gonna be like, I'm gonna have to swing like those vines in Mario. Alright, what am I supposed to do here? Should we? Whoop! Oh god. That would hurt. Ah, stop. There we go. Catch! Oh, nice. Perfectly executed. Got this guy here. Ooh. Ammo. Search him. Yeah. Some drugs. An opium pipe. Alright, we gotta do this again. Oh god. Oh no, I'm supposed to grapple this one? Alright, I see. Ooh. Jeez, man. Alright, let's climb up. Alright, I see how this game mechanic works. It's pretty cool. Oh, there is a enemy. Catcher. Come over here. Done. Alright, search him. Search you. Get your crap. Alright, so you got this, 'cause it's close range. And this building looks... Oh, wait, what? Oh, the beehive. Do I have to shoot that? What do I do? Okay. Bell tower, here we go. Okay, we just talked about bell tower, the hijacks the program. Oh, it removes fog from the map. I know what they're talking about. Yeah. The guy said there was no enemies, and then it was like 2. Oh, dick. Nice. Alright. So now I gotta pick boxes, break them. There we go. Alright. What's this? Read. Health and safety warning. Payman wishes you to remind you of the bell towers of Kirat have officially condemned. Okay, so he's just talking about like how everything's kind of broken down, which I can see right now. And here it is. Nice. And kick that open. Okay. how my foot reached that high, but I must be like a skilled ninja or some crap. Must be skilled in karate. Alright, front one, and... Jeez, man. Are we there yet? I mean... There we go, ladder, and... We're done, right? This is it? Nice. Alright, let's get the items here. Real quick, in case they go away or something. I have no idea how this works. Wait, what? I missed items? They must be back there, down there then, huh? That's not here. Yep. Okay, well, I don't see anything else, so how do we do this? There we go. No, just break it. Alright. Bell tower liberated. 1. So we're supposed to get all 17, I'm pretty sure. Farm. Old Isha's house, which is being burned down to the actual ground. And a refuge. Nice. Alright. Let's go with those supplies. Okay, so now we have like this map, and now the fog is cleared, so now we can see this area, now we can see... Oh, we can see what kind of animals are around here, so... Okay, we're looking for them. Par. That's the one we're looking for. We need to get in this area to get the new guns. And we can also stop here to get some golden plat supplies. It's a quest, so we can go hunt and then come back. Loot chests. Alright, so you'll see everything, huh? There's Alicia's house, there's the farm. We'll probably stop at Alicia's at some point, but for now, we got some loot. Cool, free stuff now. Alright, let's try to kind of inch down. What is this? What? Where's the queen?